Hello, I'm Sheila Jean Delgado, 45 years old, 10 years working in Singapore, 3 years from my first employer, and 7 years my current employer. My first employer take our baby from newborn, cooking, washing, home market with ama, and 2 household chores, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and after that, they go back to China for good. And my second employer now is now I'm 7 years her in my current employer. Take care the 2 kids from newborn until now. Then I'm cooking her, household chores, cleaning, go market, ironing. I'm willing to follow the recipes and follow YouTube if needed. And we are 3 helpers her now, and my employer now, they no need me. So they give me release until January 6. I'm expecting for the interview anytime. Thank you.